Please help me. I'm getting my
Dallas
wife.
911, this is Evelyn. Do you need police, fire, or
I need help,
EMS?
please. I need help, please. I need help, please. Please, he's threatening my life. I need help.
Okay, do you know where you are?
I'm in Rock Creek Apartments in the woods behind the apartments. He won't leave me alone. He's got knives. He's threatening me and the dog with him. I can't get him away from me.
Okay, you said Rock Creek?
Rock Creek Apartments on Beltline Road.
I don't want no harm. Don't outside my life on your strength. Step outside. I don't want to come outside. Step outside. No. He's got knives. No. Let me your hands. Can you step outside? You think I'll fucking hurt first? Yes, we will. This is my dog. All right. Let me see your hands. Sorry, but he has a dog. We beat him as a dog. Show me now.
Hey, first, hey guys, listen up. You, male, come out.
Show me your hands, both hands. I'm not gonna fuck with you as long as you ain't gonna fuck with me. I'm not trying to hurt.
Let me see your hands.
Baby, there's no reason for y'all to see my hands. I'm not gonna hurt y'all.
Just be quiet. Just be quiet.
Don't threaten my life, and I ain't gonna threaten y'all's life. No, back it up. Back it up.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Hey, drop the fucking knife. Drop the knife.
Drop the fucking knife.
I don't give a fuck.
Drop the knife.
No, drop the knife.
Drop the knife.
Hey, ma'am, get out the tent.
Don't threaten my dog.
Ma'am, get out the fucking tent. Ma'am, get out the tent.
No.
Hey, let her get out.
Let her get out.
Fuck you. Leave my dog.
Your dog.
Leave my dog.
No. Come to me, ma'am.
Get out the tent.
Let her go.
He's holding the dog.
I don't have her. I have my dog.
Put your head under there. Put your head under
Let
there.
her go.
Hey, can I come and help her?
Help her. Just don't get anywhere near me.
I'm gonna come and help her, okay?
Bernard, you getting out. Bernard, no good.
So I can come and help her, right?
I want my stains out. I want to go, man.
Put your knee up.
I've had too many bad experiences with y'all, man.
Look, I got nothing in my hand.
Doing it no more.
I got nothing.
You still do have tasers?
Well, that's part of my uniform. I can't take it off.
I know. I can't take my knife off.
Pull your foot up.
Okay?
I'm only here for her.
I respect you, man. All right.
Okay?
Respect y'all and what y'all do.
Thank you for that.
I'm not trying to make y'all's lives hard, man.
Thank you for that.
I want to make y'all's lives hard.
Thank you for that. I really appreciate that.
I'm
What's wrong? What's hurting?
I'm a good guy, man.
I don't got it.
What's her name?
I threw the suitcase on the bed.
Hey, what is her name?
What's that?
What's her name? I need you to get up and hop on one foot.
I'm leaving her alone.
I need you to hop on one foot, okay?
You go ahead and get her.
All right, I'm gonna come and help her out, okay?
Y'all don't need to.
I need to come help her, okay?
Y'all stay away from me.
You stay over here.
Y'all stay away from me because I will.
I'm gonna help her, okay?
I promise y'all.
We're not gonna mess with you.
Can I help her?
Yeah, you can help her.
Okay then, you stay right there. Don't
Stay
move.
right here. Don't you even fucking come in.
Hey, don't
Don't
move.
you even fucking come in. You are approaching me, motherfucker.
Hey, Mercedes, stay there. Stay there. You good?
Back up.
You good? Hey,
I'm not playing with you.
he's right there. I'm gonna be with her, okay? You good?
Yes, I'm good.
All right. Hey, Miss,
Okay.
come here.
What is that?
Can you hold your dog?
I got my dog, man.
Hold your dog. Ma'am, come here, okay? Give me your hands.
I love you.
Give me your hands, ma'am. Keep moving back, okay?
Keep moving back.
You want your bag?
No, would you leave me alone?
Keep coming back.
alone.
Keep coming back.
There's a
Sorry, sir.
There's a pole. All right. Okay.
That's holding up. That's holding up the feet.
Go on this side, ma'am. Go on this side. The other side, okay?
If you can help me stand up, I ain't gonna.
Well, come over here so I can help you stand.
That's not gonna hold you up.
I have a knife. I will throw it.
All right.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
Hey, Cody, we good.
He's staying right there. Okay. They need to put their weapons down. They're for my protection. Hey, they're for my protection, okay?
There's no reason for him to mess with me anymore.
They're for my protection.
This is my home, not his.
Man, we're not worried about your
It's my home. All of my belongings are in there. He has no belongings in there. There's nothing in there that belongs to him except for a few things.
90%. Hey, take care of him.
Back up. Drop the knives and come out with your hands up.
Kill me, bitch! Kill me, bitch! Ah, fuck you, dude!
Dude, he's throwing knives, man.
Fuck you, dude! Goddamn motherfucker! Fuck you, motherfucker, dude! Fuck you, motherfucker! Get him, buddy! Get him, buddy! Get him, buddy!
Sarge, get away from that opening. Get away from the opening, Sarge.
Logan,
You can't
die!
get that knife through that tarp.
Fuck with me, bitches! Fuck with me, bitches! Fuck with me! You're cheating!
I don't have sight. Is he in the corner?
He's right here.
Right here?
Yeah. Dude, he's picking up knives and tossing.
Shoot it! It ain't fucking worth it!
It ain't worth it, man! You're dead! Pop him in the leg. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Stinger, stinger! Watch out, I'm reloading. Announce stinger!
I'm out.
Come on, hands up!
Fuck you! I'll kill you! I'm gonna kill you, come get me! Buddy, I'm sorry, man. I love you, dude.
Put the fucking knife down!
Fuck you!
Pop his knee with a 40.
Dude, he's got the fucking knife in his hand, though.
Pop him in the knee with a 40.
Fuck you!
I got a fucking shot.
Y'all take your days of my life away! Fuck y'all! Fuck you, dude! Ow! You pussy bitch! Come on with you.
Hey, get more, make sure we have ammo for this stinger.
Come out.
Shots fired! Drop it, Cody, drop it!
Logan, die! Can we cut it? Fuck with me, bitches! Fuck with me, bitches! Fuck with me! You're cheating!
I don't have sight. Is he in the corner?
He's right here.
Right here? And forward.
He's picking up knives.
Cody, it ain't fucking worth it!
It ain't worth it, man! You're dead! Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
On your right.
Stinger, stinger. Fuck you. Oh, goddamn, fuck you. Sorry, motherfucker. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
No stinger.
Come out. Come out, hands up. Fuck you. I'll kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Come get me. Buddy, I'm sorry, man. I love you, dude. Put the fucking knife down. Fuck you. Fuck you, friend in my life.
Pop him in the knee with a
Fuck
40.
you.
Sarge, you tell me when.
Fuck out! You're killing me and my dog. You're taking days of my life away. Fuck y'all! Fuck you, dude. Ow! You pussy bitch. Come on.
Hey, get more, make sure we have ammo for this stinger. Come out.
Fuck.
Shots fired! Drop it, Cody, drop it!
Put the fucking knife down!
Fuck you!
Pop his knee with a 40.
Fuck you, friend in my life.
Pop him in the knee with a 40.
You tell me when.
Fuck y'all! You're killing me and my dog. You're taking days of my life away. Fuck y'all! Fuck you, dude. Ow! Pussy bitch. Come on with you.
Hey, get more, make sure we have ammo for this stinger.
He's about to come out.
Shots fired! Drop it, Cody, drop it!
Back up, back up! Back up!
50 shots fired.
It's okay.
Back everybody the fuck up! More!
Hold up. It's okay. Everybody, bring it down. Bring it down. Damn it! We need DFR to get closer. Get DFR here. He's going. Fuck the dog.
Cody, can you hear me? Cody, man.
Cody,
man. Okay.
Tactical reload.
You good? We're good. Okay.
Good grenade or not?
Okay.
Cody.
Come on, man.
Cody,
Drop
put your
knife.
hands to the side, Cody.
Gloves on.
I got gloves on.
Okay.
Cody, put your hands to your side, Cody. Cody.
Dog's coming through. Cody, man. He's still got a, I don't know.
Does he have anything in his hands, Sarge? No, he doesn't. His hands are empty. Come on, get in there and let's cuff him.
Gloves. Who's got gloves?
Who's got first aid? Let's go.
Rip him out. Pull him out in front.
One right here.
Turn him over. Come on. Cut that shit. Turn him over. Come on.
Everyone, like,
they're in training.
Are we gonna take them out?
Yeah, we're doing it.
One glove.
Hey, land flat. Where does he hit?
Right and out right there.
I got a chest feeling here.
Go.
Hey, Cody, breathe, man.
Keep breathing, Cody.
We're good. I'm in.
You're going to be all right, man. Just keep breathing. Cody, can you talk to us? Keep breathing, man.
He's over here.
It looks like he's trying to head somewhere. I don't know where.
Don't let the whole pressure on. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Where's he hit?
right here. Just